Good afternoon, students. Welcome to Pol Science class. Today we are going to discuss second long answer type question. Very important question. The Constitution of India is a bag of borrowings. Discuss. Means India has adopted several articles, several things from the constitution of other countries. Discuss. So let us start. The Indian constitution is generally described as a borrowed constitution, a paste and seizure affairs because Indian constitution has drawn extensively from the major constitutions of the world. The framers of Indian constitution were interested in making a fine and workable constitution which should work efficiently and should prove to be a living means for the development of India. Professor M.P. Sharma has rightly said that it was not the purpose of our constitution makers to produce an original or unique constitution. What they wanted was a good and workable constitution. The framers of the Indian constitution have drawn freely from the British constitution. This is perhaps due to long association with Great Britain. The following are the gifts of the British Constitution to our new Constitution. Otherwise, you can say the influence of British Constitution. First thing is the Indian President is a constitutional head like the British Queen. Second thing, like the British House of Commons, the Indian Lok Sabha is more powerful than the second chamber, Rajya Sabha. Third thing, like the British Cabinet is responsible to the President. Fourth point, like England, India had adopted a parliamentary form of government. Fifth point, rule of law has also been taken from England. Thus, the framers of the Indian Constitution have drawn the following things from the American Constitution. Otherwise, you can say influence of American Constitution over Indian Constitution. The preamble of Indian Constitution is akin to the preamble of American Constitution. कि हमारा जो preamble है वो हमने कहाँ से लिया है, वो अमेरिकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से हमने कुछ चीज़ें उसमें से ऐड की हैं. सेकेंड, अकॉर्डिंग टू टी.के. टॉप, the Vice President of India is like the Vice President of the USA. Third thing, fundamental rights of Indian Constitution resemble to the Bill of Rights of the USA. Fourth point, like American judiciary, Indian judiciary is independent. And fifth point, the nature and function of the Supreme Court are like those of the American Supreme Court. Now we shall discuss influence of Irish Constitution. Directive principles of the state policy and some members of the Rajya Sabha are nominated. Both these things are derived from Irish Constitution. Now, influence of South African Constitution. Like the Constitution of South Africa, certain articles of Indian Constitution are amended by two-third majority of the Parliament. If we want to do any kind of amendment, then two-third majority is required in Parliament. Second, the members of Rajya Sabha are elected by the state legislature in accordance with the principle of proportional representation. Next, influence of the Weimar Constitution of Germany. The president's emergency power to suspend the fundamental rights during an emergency is taken from Section 48 of Weimar Constitution of Germany. Next one is influence of Canadian Constitution. In Indian Constitution, like the Canadian Constitution, residuary powers are given to the center. Like the Canadian Constitution, strong center is provided in the Indian Constitution. The name Union of India for the Indian Republic has got its source in the Canadian Constitution. And the last point, the influence of the Australian Constitution. What is the influence of Australian Constitution? While speaking in Constituent Assembly on November 4th 1948, Dr. Ambedkar pointed out that उन्होंने point out किया था क्या the the concurrent list has been included in the constitution after taking inspiration from the Australian Constitution. कहाँ से मोटिवेशन मिली? ऑस्ट्रेलियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से concurrent list के लिए. Second, the method to deal with the conflict between the center and the state has been taken from the Australian Constitution. And third thing, judges of the Supreme Court can be removed from office on the grounds of proved misbehavior or inefficiency. Judges of the Supreme Court can be removed from office on the grounds of proved misbehavior or inefficiency. The word misbehavior or inefficiency have been taken from the Australian Constitution. So in this way, we have taken so many things from the constitutions of other country. That's why Indian Constitution is also called Lion document. A Lion document means a serious criticism leveled against the Indian Constitution is that it is an Lion document borrowed from the West and unrelated to ethos of Indian people. But this charge, however, is not totally correct. No doubt that the Indian Constitution was borrowed from USA, Britain, Ireland, Canada, Australia, etc. But India did not borrow it blindly. Only those provisions were borrowed which suited Indian conditions. So, dear students, today we have discussed very important question. The Constitution of India is a bag of borrowing. So you are requested to listen it twice and thrice to understand each and everything and the main points which have been drawn from the constitution of other countries, main articles which have been drawn from the constitution of other countries. Till then, thanks and have a nice day.